Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add multiple stops right there in your Lyft app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Lyft app in our mobile phone. Once that particular app is open, it's gonna basically look like this. You're gonna go ahead, tap on this enter pickup location, go ahead, enter your particular location, and then you will see this plus icon between the this start, destination, and then destination, and right, simply go ahead, tap on that, and then you will be able to add a stop in between for yourself. And then you can go to this destination and add in that particular destination as well. Once you're done, you will be able to find the offers as you usually do. You can go ahead, choose a particular amount for yourself, tap on this select. Once you're done adding a tip, tap on the select Lyft, and then you can go ahead, add a note for your driver as well. Like, he will obviously get informed regarding the stop as well, but you would like to, you can do that. Other than that, this is it, guys. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.